In this video, I'll show you how to find a Telegram group link quickly and easily. This is useful if you want to share your group with other people, invite new members, or copy the link for later use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and click the group chat you want to get the link for. Once the chat window opens, click the group name at the top of the screen. This takes you into the group info page, where you can access the main settings for that group. Next, click the More icon. This is usually the three-dot menu or additional options button, depending on the device you're using. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Group. This opens the group management settings where you can control members, permissions, and invite options. Now look for Invite Links and click it. Here, Telegram will show you the invite link for the group. Simply copy the link and you can paste it anywhere you want to invite others to join. And that's it. You've now found your Telegram group link. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And now you can share your group more easily with friends, communities, or followers. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this one.